Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a creamy pistachio cheesecake. Rich, nutty and absolutely irresistible. Without oven. Let's make it together. First we melt the butter over low heat. Next, crush the biscuits in a mixer until they turn into fine crumbs. After the biscuits are finely crushed, add the melted butter and mix well. Now spread the biscuit mixture evenly into the bottom of a springform pan. You can press the crumbs down firmly with the back of a spoon or a glass to make them stick to the bottom of your pan. Now put it in the fridge to chill and set properly. Now let's prepare the cream cheese layer with all its ingredients. First, add cold water to the gelatin powder and let it bloom until it becomes puffy. Now add the breakfast cream, cream cheese, pistachio powder, pistachio cream, and vanilla into a bowl and mix everything well. Oh, almost forgot. Add a powdered sugar to the mixture as well. Once everything is well combined, gently heat the bloomed gelatin over a double boiler until it melts and becomes clear. Then mix it into the cream cheese mixture. Pour cream cheese layer over crust. Use the back of a spoon to smooth the surface. Then put it in the fridge for 6 hours to set completely. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Now after 6-7 hours, take it out of the fridge and decorate it with pistachio powder and pistachio cream. Leave it in the fridge for another 30 minutes to let it cream set, and then it's ready to serve. After taking it out of the fridge, remove it from the pan and let's taste it. With love, from my kitchen to yours. It's turned out so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.